Hey there, guys. Chet here. Today I'm going to show you how coaches and consultants can build a complete email funnel using Brevo. Now, if you work with clients, offer coaching sessions, or you sell programs and digital products, then having a simple automated funnel really is one of the best ways to turn new leads into paying clients. Brevo will make this process smooth and beginner friendly. So let's break everything down step by step. But before we begin, if you're new to Brevo, you can actually get 50% off of the starter and business plans for the first 3 months by using the link that we've put down below. You'll also get access to my complete Brevo course where I'll walk you through every part of the platform at your own pace. Now, let's get started. The foundation of your email funnel begins with your contacts. Brevo's CRM lets you store all of your leads and your clients in one convenient place. So, as a coach or consultant, you're going to want to keep your contacts organized so that your funnel works the way it should. Many coaches use simple tags like new lead, warm lead, discovery call booked, active client, or completed program. You can also build segments so that your messages go out to the right people at the right time. Keeping things organized here makes everything else in your funnel run smoothly. Next, let's talk about how people enter your funnel. Most coaches attract new leads through a free resource. This might be a guide, a short video training, or a worksheet, or any type of lead magnet that introduces your expertise. When someone signs up for that resource, you want Brevo to send it to them immediately and automatically. To do that, you create a short delivery email that includes a download link. This email becomes the first part of your funnel. From here, we move Brevo into automations, or we move into Brevo automations. This is where the full funnel comes together. Every funnel starts with a trigger. Coaches usually trigger their funnel when someone signs up for a lead magnet or joins a specific list. Once the trigger fires, the workflow sends out the delivery email you already created. After that, you build out your nurture sequence. This is where you really kind of warm up your leads and help them understand how you can help. A typical nurture sequence includes a few emails spread out over a few days. One email might share your story and background. Another might teach a simple tip that gives your audience a quick win. Another might break down the common problems that you can help solve. Now, these emails help your audience get to know you and start seeing you as someone who can guide them. Once the nurture sequence is done, you add your conversion email. This could invite people to book a discovery call, join your program, or check out your coaching packages. Now, if you want to get more advanced, Brevo will let you add simple rules inside of your workflow. For example, you can check if someone clicked your call booking link and adjust the follow up based on that specific action. Now, when your funnel is ready, activate it. From that moment on, every new lead goes through the exact same experience without you doing anything manually. If you want to get started with Brevo, go ahead and use that link we put below. It will give you 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 3 months, and it unlocks my complete Brevo course. All right, as always, thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.